Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL best settings that you can get, for example, for the CSGO. I don't know what kind of game you're playing, right? But here you're gonna find it, right? So you see right here, these are for example for the Fortnite settings, and just check this side and just go and follow it like what they do. A weapon slot 2mm, 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 and for whatever game you're playing, you can just like follow this guide and just change it. Like if you're going to for Apex Pro right here, Apex Pro, and for example this is the Minecraft. So try these out and just write on Google best keyboard settings for CSGO from the SteelSeries, and it should be good.